Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa for Zimbabwe. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Zimbabwe e-visa site. Okay. Now the very first thing I would like you to know is to go to this FAQ. If you tap on right hand side top and find out more information about it, like what are the visas that they offer, what are things you can do. They also have visa on arrival facility, okay, and free entry also they have for many nationalities, okay. Processing time you can say. Okay, now they have three categories of nationalities. Category A, those who don't need a visa to travel to Zimbabwe, okay, but declaration need to be submitted, okay. So you can see if your country is included here, okay. Second thing is they don't need to apply, okay, but they will get the visa and pay for it when they enter Zimbabwe, okay. The entry declaration they can make online, okay, fine, check your nationality. Third is when they have to pay and obtain a visa before they are traveling. So see where is your country listed. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'll consider you say you are from Nepal, okay, and you need a visa before you travel, okay. So that's what we are gonna cover in this video. Fine. So we'll go to the home page. Okay, we need to tap on start the process. You do all per your case. So very first thing is to log in. Like what you are going to do if you're coming for the first time, you'll click on no account yet, put your first name, last name, email, password and confirm. Then it will create your account and then you can log in and proceed. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see. Okay, so it is asking please select the port of entry where you plan to enter Zimbabwe. So do it as per your own case. Okay, I'm just putting sample. Continue. Okay. So what happens is, like, because I did some research, that's why you see this. But what happens when you come for the very first time over here, you get this option, create a new person. Okay. So how it works is, like, let's say if you have multiple people, okay, husband, wife or kids, whatever. So you can add them here and then at the end, you can check the boxes next to them and then click on continue. Right now I'm going to create a new person. So first name I'll just do Peter, last name Smith. Oh, sorry. Passport number. What is the person linked to you? I select self. Set confirm. Okay. Now let's say you want to apply for this guy, like this. Here you just add the people, okay. But like you want to, but definitely you need to fill more details about it. So I selected Peter. Click on continue. Okay. Nationality. I select national. So I'm selecting Nepal. Okay. Of course, my nationality is not Nepal, but just in order to show you guys. Passport I select ordinary, single entry, normal. Purpose of visit I select holiday. Okay. Date of birth, do it as per your own case. Don't see what I am doing. Country of birth. City of birth. Gender. Email, phone. So there are a lot of things which are not mandatory, but I would suggest, like, fill all the fields even if they are not mandatory, because If you are a genuine applicant, what is the need of hiding anything, right? So I'm going to do this and I'm going to tap on. Next is about emergency contact, last name, first name, email and phone. So I'm going to do now with the passport details, country issuing passport. Okay. Date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue, why to hide it. Like, check your passport, expected arrival. Remember they take 7 days, right? So make sure you consider that in mind when you plan. Have you any or your dependents ever convicted of any crime in Zimbabwe? I select no. Have you any of your dependents having committed any crime in your home country? I select no. Select next. Okay, now what are the things they have asked? Biodata page, host residence booking signed, like hotel reservation and all. Address at destination, okay, fine. Application letter, okay, fine. Residence status of host, okay, fine. Extra document. I mean, it depends based on the answers, okay, but that you have done. And then you can go to next, and then it will go for payment and other things. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.